Point is a mark of position. Like if I am sitting here, this is a point B. If Vishal is sitting here, which this is point for Vishal. Or if Ashran is sitting here, this is point for Ashran. So in a classroom, we all are sitting in these different points. So point is a position or location. What is a line? The line can be extended in both the direction, and it is of two types. One is curved line and another one is straight line. So curved line is like this and it can be extended to both the sides, यानी कि हम इसको खींचकर दोनों तरफ को बड़ा कर सकते हैं. So if we'll try extending it, we can extend this line. Okay. Similarly, straight lines. Straight lines, we put arrows on both the sides, in curved also and in straight also. Straight line also can be stretched to both side. ठीक है, इस तरफ से भी इसको खींच सकते हैं और to this side also it can be stretched. So a line has no end point. It doesn't have any end point. We can stretch it and we can draw as much as long we want to draw. A line has no definite length. It doesn't have a definite length. It depends upon our wish. हम इसको ऐसा भी बना सकते हैं. It doesn't have any fixed measure. So if this is line PQ, तो हम इसको लिखेंगे PQ and we will PQ and we will put line with two arrows on the side. ठीक है, line with two arrows on the side. Next, line segment. A part of a line is called as a line segment. So if I said कि this is A, B and this is 6 centimeters. So this portion is line segment. It has two endpoints. One is A, another one is B. It has two endpoints. One is A and another one is B, and this is line segment, the small part of a big line. So line segment has two endpoints. One is A, one is B. It has definite length. So what is the length of line segment AB over here? 6 centimeters. And we put a straight line to represent line segment. Its length can be measured. इसका एक परफेक्ट नाप होता है और हम इसकी लेंथ को इजीली मेजर कर सकते हैं. Ray. A part of line which has only one end point and goes endlessly in one direction. Means, for example, this is sun and rays are coming out of it. So it has one starting point, that is sun, and the rays are falling on this person standing here. Now rays can be infinite, means बहुत सारी rays एक ही point से आ सकती हैं. तो this is one point that is fixed. ठीक है, अगर ये लड़का यहाँ से हट जाएगा and some bench or table is here, so it will fall on, the ray will fall on table. So it will go endlessly inward. यहाँ पे भी आ सकती है. ठीक है, so it goes endlessly in one direction. It has one direction. Similarly for torch, you have seen torch is one point and the rays coming out from the torch goes endlessly in another direction. To write ray, अगर हमने इसको mathematically we have to write, this is point A and this is point R. So A is the starting point because it is fixed, and arrow shows that it is going in this direction. So how will we write AR? We will put a simple line over here and arrow on the side in which direction the ray is going. Let us suppose that S is the point given for sun, and this is Ashran standing over here. So the ray will be named as S is the starting point, and A is Ashran standing over here. So this is fixed point and it is falling on Ashran. We can say it is going in direction of Ashran.